Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Show you a couple things here. RC hop-ups has new Outrunner motors for the SCX24s, and for the smaller crawler vehicles like that. We got some motor mounts here. I'll show you guys the motors and ESCs. Got the whole setup here. This one right here is a 2300 kV motor. So it comes with the outbrush motor here, right? You see that? And then it comes with a pinion. From what I was told, the pinions have to be pressed on. They are super tight, which is good. So you pretty much want to get a press or a vise and put it on. And he said the best way to do that is a vise. If you guys got a vise or somebody that knows has a vise, and you just put the vise in there and you just slowly start getting it on there and make sure it's straight, and then boom. Okay, I'm not going to show you how to do that because it's tedious little work and that. So, but that's pretty cool. So, and then it comes with the ESC. You can scan it, a little scan barcode, a little sticker, RC hop-ups. Here's a little ESC with it, nice and small, perfect for the size. Right, plug that into there, bam. Here's your battery connector. Okay, this goes into your receiver. So nice and packed, nice and small. So that's a nice little setup here, guys. I like that. Nice little setup. And then this one, which you get your motor mount too. You do need to buy the motor mount, which is the bigger motor mount because it's the bigger Outrunner. It's a 244, right? And this is the motor mount for it. So that would go together. And these are like $8. Yeah, $8.79, so $8. And this is like $100. You go online and get the use Kurt's RCs for the code at rchopups.us and get 10% off of that. So it'd be like $90 and then a dollar off of that. So it'd be right around $100 for everything. Okay, which is actually a pretty good deal. And this one is the, can't remember, 3100 kV motor. This one's tiny. I like this one. It'll fit in the nice little tight comp rigs and stuff like that. Okay, this bad boy. Nice little outrun motor here. Okay, you can even feel the magnets in there. This one comes with a pinion too. Okay, a little smaller, but this one's got to be pressed on too. So it's the same thing. Use a little vise. Get on there with a little vise, and you can try other ways, but I was told with a vise would be the best way to put that pinion on there and have it slide on there. The tolerance is really tight, so don't want to lose that. Okay, so there's that. And this one comes with an ESC also. And it comes with the same stuff in there. Comes with a sticker, a little scan to get you to the website and all that, and tell you a little bit more about it, what size it is and all that. So you can go look up the specs and all that. I'm not going to tell you all that. You guys can go to rchopups.us and go look for yourselves, right? I'll just show you this ESC too. I don't know if these are the same or not, to tell you the truth. they look like it, so yeah, they look like they're the same ESCs, so that's cool. You can plug into each one, doesn't matter. So there's your ESC for that. These are tiny. I was thinking about maybe using this one for the build. I can't decide. What do you guys think? I'm almost thinking about maybe once I do the build, raffle it off, see if everybody's interested. I'm going to talk about that on a live and see, but there you go, guys. RC hop-ups. rchopups.us. Use Kurt's RCs for a discount code of 10% off. So you get each one, you know, with the mount, everything else online. About, you probably get it all for about around $100, which is pretty good for these little motors and stuff. So, which I think is good. Little brushless in there, 3S capable. Okay, I believe the small one is too. Let me see. But yeah. Yep, 2 3S capable. So it's 1306 motor size. That's what these say on. That's I was wondering what these were on top. 1306 motor size, and this one's a 2204 motor size. Okay, I'm assuming that's what that means. There you go, guys. rchopups.us. Go get your little motors and ESCs, guys. These things are pretty sweet. So, you guys all have a great day. Thanks for watching.